now that we've installed PSPP on our computers, we're going to talk about how to open a data file. So if you have downloaded the data files that are on Canvas, I'm going to show you how to open them in PSPP. All you have to do is go to File, Open. It will automatically detect the data files that you can open. So anything with a .sav suffix, so .sav file extension is going to work. Double click it and it opens it. Here in variable view, you see that your variable name goes down this left-hand column. And I want you to pay attention here to the variable labels. Let's see if we can broaden out this column. And it tells you, the variable label tells you what the variable actually is. So HOM95 is homicide rate in 1995. Rate 10 is the rape rate in 2010. ASSLT 10 is the assault rate in 2010. Berg 10 is the burglary rate in 2010. So here you see that we're talking about crime rates in the different states in 1995 versus 2010. And it goes on to describe different characteristics of each state in different years. So the variable label is going to be really valuable to you in figuring out what the variables actually mean. So that's what I want to show you. And then in data view, if you click data view, you'll see that each line is actually a case. So here, instead of state being the variable, or instead of variable name being listed down the left-hand column, each state name is listed down the left-hand column because each row is a case. So here we have the homicide rate in 1995 for Alabama, for Alaska, for Arizona, for Arkansas, because each row is a case. So that's what you can see in data view, is what the data points actually are for each case, in this case for each state. So that's the difference between variable view and data view, just to familiarize yourselves with what data look like in PSPP. Please email me if you have any questions. In the meantime, have a terrific day.